Hi class, we have two new sight words this week to learn. Last week we learned the word good and said, and you kiddos did a great job with our two new sight words, good and said. Remember, good is G-O-O-D, good, 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 and said is S-A-I-D, said, said, said. Our two new sight words this week. The first one is a word that we use to describe a girl. If we're talking about somebody in a sentence and we don't want to use a name, so if we said, Mrs. Stokes is talking to her computer right now. Instead of writing Mrs. Stokes, you could write, she is talking to her computer right now. And if I wanted to say she, I'd say S-H-E, she. Now remember, the S and the H says sh, and then E. She, S-H-E, she. And remember that if you are using this in your writing, then you are only using it to describe girls. And if you're reading it in something that you're reading in a book, then if they're using the word she, they are using she when they're talking about a girl. Okay, our next word is all. And all is really important because if we use all in words like ball or call, A-L-L spells all. And we use this when we're talking about maybe how much we have. Like, I want all the cookies. Or, I want all the cats because I like cats, right? So this talks about how much we have. Or it could use to describe like, I like to read all the time. It can say how much of something that you have. So A-L-L, all. These are our two new sight words, she and all. And we are going to keep practicing. We're going to go ahead and go through all of our sight words for this week. You can watch this video more than one time to practice. So we have S-H-E, she. A-L-L, all. S-A-I-D, said. M-A-K-E, make. I-S, is. T-O, two. Y-O-U, you. W-H-A-T, what. W-E, we. N-O-W, now. A. C-O-M-E, come. A-N-D, and. A-R-E, R. S-E-E, C. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-L-L, will. L-I-K-E, like. T-H-I-S, this. H-O-W, how. M-E, me. M-Y, my. T-H-E, the. C-A-N-E, can. F-I-N-D, find. G-O, go. F-O-R, for. B-E, B. P-L-A-Y, play. I. And G-O-O-D, good. Good luck practicing your sight words this week.